So, what have we got?
Bread, milk, flour, poppy seeds.
Poppy seed?
1, 2, 3. Bread, please. Thank you, Duck.
What's that, Sarah?
Baking powder for
Ah, to make it grow.
flour.
Enough? Some sugar?
Sugar.
Sweet, sweet.
Hour.
And cook me for an hour.
Hello.
Oh,
Happy birthday, Cake.
thank you.
Got your noodles all ready? Be careful, it's really hot. Keep 'em shut. Ponyo. No peeking. Get ready to look now. Abracadabra.
It's him!
Careful, it's hot.
Oh, good! What are the ingredients?
A potato, a carrot, an onion, some peas and cheese.
But that's what I would normally...
Chopped potato. Oh, if you tell me what you want to cook, I will tell you how to cook it. Carrot,
We want to cook a special modern meal, please.
onion, peas modern.
Very modern.
Certainly. You will need the following ingredients. Potato, carrot, cheese, onion, peas and cheese.
That doesn't sound very special.
Shush. And put them into the pot. Boil for 1 minute.
Oh, yes! So filling!
Marvellous, Nanny.